Have you ever wondered just how many people around the world are using Airwallex to power their global businesses? Airwallex, a fintech unicorn, has been making waves in the financial industry. It's not just another payment solution, it's a platform designed to simplify global commerce. From startups to multinational corporations, businesses worldwide are turning to Airwallex to streamline their financial operations. But just how many people are actually using this innovative platform? Diving into the numbers. Unfortunately, Airwallex, like many private companies, doesn't publicly disclose its exact user base. This strategic move is common in the tech industry, as it can provide a competitive advantage. However, we can glean insights from various sources to estimate the scale of its user base. Rapid growth and funding. Airwallex has secured substantial funding from renowned investors, indicating strong market demand and rapid growth. Each funding round signals increased investment in technology, expansion into new markets, and, consequently, a growing user base. Global expansion. Airwallex has expanded its operations to numerous countries, catering to a diverse range of businesses. This global footprint suggests a substantial user base spread across different continents. Strategic partnerships. The company has formed strategic partnerships with major financial institutions and technology providers. These partnerships often involve integrating Airwallex's solutions into existing systems, potentially reaching a wider audience. Customer testimonials and case studies. Numerous businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, have shared their positive experiences with Airwallex. These testimonials highlight the platform's effectiveness and its growing popularity among businesses of all sizes. Estimating the user base. While a precise figure remains elusive, it's clear that Airwallex has a significant and growing user base. The company's rapid growth, global expansion, and positive customer feedback all point to a substantial number of individuals and businesses leveraging its platform. As Airwallex continues to innovate and expand its offerings, it's likely that its user base will continue to grow exponentially. While we may not have a definitive answer to the question how many people use Airwallex, the evidence suggests a substantial and growing user base. Airwallex's impact on the global financial landscape is undeniable, and its future looks promising. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.